Is the world of dropshipping feeling a bit confusing? Are you constantly hunting for answers, wondering how to best leverage your tools, or maybe even feeling a little lost in the digital jungle? If you're a Spocket user or considering becoming one, you've probably encountered a question or two, and that's perfectly normal. But what if I told you there's a dedicated knowledge hub, a treasure trove of solutions, designed specifically to address your every query? What if unlocking your dropshipping potential was as simple as knowing where to look for help? Today, we're diving deep into an often underestimated, yet incredibly powerful resource for every Spocket entrepreneur: the Spocket Help Center. Forget endless Google searches and frustrating forum dives. This isn't just a basic FAQ section. It's a meticulously crafted, constantly updated vault of information that can transform your dropshipping journey from confusing to confident. We're going to walk through exactly how to navigate this invaluable tool, showing you how to find the answers you need, resolve common issues, and ultimately, supercharge your business. So, let's get started. How do you actually use Spocket's Help Center effectively? First things first, accessing the Help Center is incredibly straightforward. Once you're logged into your Spocket dashboard, look for the Help icon, often represented by a question mark or a support link, typically located in the bottom left corner or within the main navigation menu. Clicking on this will take you directly to the Help Center's homepage. Now you're presented with a clean, intuitive interface. The most prominent feature you'll notice is the search bar. This is your first and often most effective weapon. Think of it as your personal Spocket encyclopedia. Instead of browse endlessly, type in keywords related to your problem. For example, if you're struggling with product importing, type import product. If you're curious about shipping times, try shipping time. The more specific your query, the more targeted and helpful the results will be. The search functionality is remarkably robust and will often predict your query as you type, offering suggestions to narrow down your search even further. Beyond the search bar, the Help Center is intelligently organized into categories. These categories are designed to mirror the natural flow of your dropshipping operations. You'll typically find sections like Getting Started, Products, Orders, Shipping, Billing, Integrations, and Account Settings, among others. This categorical structure is incredibly useful if you're not entirely sure how to phrase your search query, or if you want to explore a broader topic. Let's say you're a new Spocket user and you're feeling overwhelmed by the initial setup. Instead of searching, you could click on the Getting Started category. Within this section, you'll find articles on everything from setting up your store integration, choosing your niche, and finding your first products. It's like a step-by-step guide tailored for beginners, ensuring you don't miss any crucial foundational steps. Once you click on an article, you'll find comprehensive information, often accompanied by screenshots, GIFs, or even short video tutorials. Spocket's team has clearly invested in making these articles as easy to understand as possible. They break down complex processes into simple, digestible steps. Pay close attention to the Related Articles section often found at the bottom of each article. This is a fantastic way to deepen your understanding of a particular topic or to find answers to tangential questions you might not have even thought of yet. Another powerful feature within the Help Center is the Announcements or Updates section. This is where Spocket communicates important platform changes, new feature releases, and any other relevant news that might impact your business. Staying up to date with these announcements is crucial for maximizing your Spocket experience and ensuring you're always leveraging the latest tools and functionalities. What if you've exhausted the search bar and the categories, and you still haven't found the answer to your specific problem? Don't despair. The Spocket Help Center also provides clear pathways to direct support. Look for options like Contact Support or Submit a Request. This will typically lead you to a contact form where you can describe your issue in detail. When submitting a support request, be as descriptive as possible. Include screenshots, order numbers, product IDs, or any other relevant information that can help the support team quickly understand and resolve your issue. The more information you provide upfront, the faster and more efficient the resolution will be. It's also worth noting that Spocket often provides access to their community forum directly from the Help Center. While not part of the official support, Community forums can be an excellent resource for peer-to-peer advice, tips, and insights. You might find that another Spocket user has already encountered and resolved the same issue you're facing. Let's talk about some common scenarios where the Help Center truly shines. Imagine you're having trouble connecting your Shopify store to Spocket. You go to the Help Center, type Shopify integration, and immediately you'll find a step-by-step guide with clear instructions and visuals. Or perhaps an order isn't syncing correctly. A quick search for "order not syncing" will likely lead you to an article troubleshooting common syncing issues and providing solutions. Even something as fundamental as understanding Spocket's refund policy or how to manage returns can be quickly and easily found within the Help Center, saving you valuable time and preventing potential headaches down the line. Remember, the Spocket Help Center is a living, breathing resource. It's constantly being updated with new articles, FAQs, and solutions based on user feedback and evolving platform features. So, even if you've visited it before, it's always worth checking back. Make it a habit to explore it regularly, not just when you have a problem, but also to proactively learn and optimize your dropshipping processes. By understanding how to effectively use Spocket's Help Center, you're not just finding answers, you're empowering yourself. You're becoming a more self-sufficient, efficient, and ultimately more successful dropshipper. This resource is designed to minimize friction, maximize your time, and help you unlock the full potential of your Spocket subscription. Don't let unanswered questions hold you back. Embrace the power of the Help Center and watch your dropshipping business flourish. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.